We rise by lifting others. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to try doing a little bit of some hand lettering. I am not a letterer, so I do have some lines kind of sketched on here and sort of just a leaf shape or something here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I do know that I want to do the quote, "We rise by lifting others." And I've seen this be credited to Robert Ingersoll. I'm not sure who that is. I'd have to do some more research, but I like the quote. These hand letters are going to be kind of a block style. I don't have them pre-drawn on here. I just have some lines, and I'm just going to wing it. Let's see how this works. I think I'm going to go by, I'm going to do the big capital W, and then it'll be a capital E, but it'll be the little one. And then rise, I'm going to have all capital letters. Kind of tall and skinny. We rise. And then I'm going to do the little by. We rise by lifting. And I think I'm going to do that. Kind of cursive-y by lifting, and then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to put others farther below. I'm doing the single letters, or the capitals with single lines, the letters with single lines, and then I'm going to go back and thicken up lines, because that is more that doodle style. Oop, and there's an S there too. There we go. So I don't do, like I said, I don't do hand lettering. I do but I will do some letters, but they always end up looking the same. It's just the way it is. Let's see. I think I'm going to straighten that out just a little bit. We rise by lifting others. I like that. Now this is a .28 pen, and it is the Uniball Signo RT1 UM155-28. You can get replaceable ink cartridges for it. It has a nice silicone grip on it, and they did not sponsor this. This is just me using them. I'm going to put little hearts, quite the traditionalist there, right? And I am going to thicken up these. And I'm not going to thicken up all those other lines. I'm going to do a watercolor feather, I think is what I want to do. So I'm working on a watercolor postcard. This is just one of the Arteza cotton watercolor cards. And since I'm not doing a big, huge amount of water, I'm not worried about taping this down or anything like that. It's only 140 pound paper. It's not super heavy duty paper, but it's heavy enough for a little bit of extra watery action. I'm not coloring in super. Yeah. I needed this. Just a quick little card. Actually, I'm going to do a couple of these. I'm going to send them to my siblings, I think. I think we all need this right now. Haven't actually seen any of my siblings in the flesh in over a year, and that's really, really weird because we usually get together, you know, birthdays and holidays and anniversaries and things like that. And this last year has been a real challenge, but the light is coming out. We are seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. We are getting, slowly we're all getting our immunizations, vaccinations, which will be good. Oh, that was a little sloppy. See, like I said, I am not a letterer. You guys all can see I am not a big time good letterer. Let's see here. Ink is dry. I'm going to go ahead and just lift off that. And I'm going to grab a brush. This is a number 8 round. I'm going to, let's see here. I think this feather is going to be in the blue and magenta, just because. Just because. And I think I am going to grab a little bit of Payne's Gray. Whoa, that was a lot more Payne's Gray than I was expecting. All right, so now we're going to take some water and put it down on here for the feather. I want this to sort of mix and flow. I'm going to go right over the lettering there. There we go. It's just going to, there, that's good. So we're going to grab some of that blue, drop some of that in, grab some of that magenta. This is the Qor watercolor paint by Golden. I think I want to get a little bit more water around the edge, see if it will bleed out a little bit. Run that around the edge. It's kind of kind of a galaxy. Ooh, maybe that's what I'll do. Say it's sort of more galaxy. Sometimes things happen and you weren't expecting it to. I like that. I know this is going to bleed. I want it to. That's fine. That's pretty. I think I want to drop a little bit of some cad yellow in there. Since I'm making it into a galaxy. Oh, that's sweet. All right, so what does that mean? If I'm doing it as a galaxy, I need to put stars on. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab this. And I need more dark on there, don't I? More dark. Oh, I like that. Ooh, pretty. That Payne's gray is so nice. It's very blue. It's not black. It's not a black. It's more lively. But I think I need to dry this and then put my stars on. Touch more, a little bit more concentrated. Oh, yeah. That's nice. There we go. There. All right. Oh, that's pretty. Now let's see what it looks like when it's dry. Okay. Maybe we'll do better this way instead of the toothbrush. Ooh, I should have blocked out the rest of the card. And look at that. We rise by lifting others. Oh, that's so pretty. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends. Remember to go out and do something creative. Take care of yourself so you can take care of those around you. Remember to lift others up, because by lifting others up, we all are lifted up. Take care. Bye-bye.